The AAWP Medical Minute is sponsored by the African American Wellness Project.
Hypertension is much more common in African Americans. But is table salt to blame? I don't know exactly what to tell you. Some experts suggest that too much salt is a problem. Others are worried about too little salt. For most of us, a little more than a half a teaspoon of salt a day is sufficient. But for people over 50, those with hypertension, and African Americans, much lower amounts are recommended. But there's no conclusive evidence for these amounts. And too little salt can be a problem for people with heart disease. I believe you should control your salt. But remember, most of the salt does not come from the salt shaker. So if you need to cut down, read labels. As for my specific advice on how much salt is too much, it may not be scientific, but my grandmother had an answer: a little bit more than a pinch. I'm Dr. Mike Lenore with the African American Wellness Project. This message is sponsored by the Dan Weinstein Family Fund.